Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a front and back patio refresh. This is something we do every spring, whether it's just giving our patio a deep clean or adding in a few new touches, but we love sitting outside and the weather is warm now, so yeah, I'm excited. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna begin with the front porch. We went over to Lowe's to pick up some new florals to add to our existing planters. We also got those from Lowe's, I think last year. So here's a look at what we picked up from Lowe's. We have a total of 7 planters. We have 2 by the garage. We have 1 up by our front door, 2 hanging planters on our railing on our front porch, and then 2 at the bottom of our steps. So if you can't tell, we love keeping up with our front yard. I believe these are our hydrangeas from last year. They're actually starting to grow back, so these are the only ones that we're gonna keep here. Everything else has got to go. They are definitely dead, so Brandon's taking everything out of the planter boxes and we're replanting some fresh new florals. It was something in the air. It was something in the air. Our front and back porch are actually pretty small, but that's fine. We're not gonna be here forever. I'm still on the hunt for 2 chairs and a little table to go up front. You guys will definitely know in a video when I do find it. Clearly the only thing we did was add flowers to our planters up front, but still love how it turned out. These flowers actually ended up budding a day or 2 later, so I'll show you some of that footage later on. So I'm definitely gonna have to come back and give you guys an update. This little flower bed in front of our patio in the front yard is definitely in need of some TLC, so Brandon's gonna be updating that soon, and hopefully I can give you guys a little bit of footage of that whenever that happens. So I love Walmart's outdoor decor. They always come through with the outdoor stuff. So I'm in Walmart and I come across these faux topiaries and they light up. I think they're really nice for the front porch. So I think I'm gonna put them on either side of our front door. Moving on to the back patio, I went to a couple of stores for this one, starting off with Home Goods. I'm just showing you guys some clips of some of the outdoor decor and little fun things you can put in your garden. I think they have a really good selection of things. Our front and back patio is pretty small, so I don't have a ton of space to play with. I still want to show you guys some things that I saw that I thought were fun. And Home Goods also has some of the best outdoor entertaining things right now, so I would definitely head over there for stuff like that. Moving on to Target, again, just some clips of some really good outdoor furniture and outdoor decor. Target has always been one of our favorite places to get patio decor and furniture, but their stuff is so expensive, you guys. You definitely have to catch it while it's on sale. And I still say Walmart and HomeGoods is the way to go unless you can catch some of Target stuff on sale. I did get a few things from here, so stay tuned. I'll show you guys that in a second. Back to my Walmart footage. You guys saw me pick up those topiaries earlier. This is still the same day. I'm picking up some more things, and I thought I would show you guys some clips of some of their really good decor. They have some good planters or pillows. Even their furniture is on point this year. Definitely check them out if you are wanting to jazz up your front patio or your back patio. I love their planters. I picked up some of these lights. Just stay tuned for a haul. Alright, time for a haul. I got 2 boxes of these string lights that are going to go around the top of our patio in the back. This rug is from Lowe's. I'll show you guys that up close. Got a couple of pillows from Target. I love the colors in these, and I got this one right here from Walmart. These lanterns I got from Walmart as well. Really good prices. I got a small and a large size, and I could not resist getting this wooden lantern. This outdoor rug is going to go to our back door, and I'm going to layer that on top of this one. I love the little pop of color. Now it's time to put everything together. Brandon's getting started on the lights, and I'm just kind of sorting through our decor, trying to figure out how I want things to be set up back here. I definitely want it to look clean and not so cluttered, but I also want it to be cozy. So stay tuned to see how everything turned out. So we decided we wanted some hanging flowers back here, so I went to Walmart to pick up these plant brackets, and the flowers came from Lowe's.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you. You're my home away from away from home, away from being alone. Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for
So let's talk about the before. It was a little bit of a mess. We did have furniture moved around because he was messing with the lights, but I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like right now. I've changed up a few things, but for the most part, this is what it's looking like, and we love it. It's not cluttered. There's enough seating for at least 5 or 6 people. The flowers just bring so much coziness to this entire space. I love that the rug brings a little bit of color. We use our fire pit almost year around. because it just brings so much warmth, especially during the fall and those summer nights. I did bring out some things that I already had laying around the house that I probably wasn't using, just to give it a little bit more of a decorative feel, but still keeping it cozy. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and stick around for the nighttime views.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out, 24/7, babe, no timeouts.
So we even have this little inexpensive TV that Brandon props up and attaches our Fire Stick to, and we sit out here and watch TV because there's really not a place to hang a TV back here, but this is still like one of our favorite things to do. We can easily just take the TV down and bring it in the house when we're finished with it. But if you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.